From a dusty road in Roswell town, where I first saw the light, to the sunny shores of Hawaii, making every memory bright. Got 75 years behind me now, but the road is calling still, exploring every single path with a curious thrill. So come on, walk around with Ralph. Let's see what we can find with my little drone up in the air, leaving worries far behind. From a hidden gem to a famous street, every step has a story to tell. Come on and walk around with Ralph under that light-hearted spell. My hover air is my trusty friend, floating there at my side, catching audio and video, nowhere left to hide. We hit the spots off the beaten path and the big city points of interest too, sharing tales for all the folks at home, just for me and you. So come on, walk around with Ralph. Let's see what we can find with my little drone up in the air, leaving worries far behind. From a hidden gem to a famous street, every step has a story to tell. Come on and walk around with Ralph under that light-hearted spell. Hadrian's charm to a city's soul, the journey never ends. It's all about the little things and the making of new friends. Keeping it fun, keeping it real in a simple, easy way, inviting you to come along and brighten up your day.